Hey everyone, it is Magical Tuesday, and we have to make sure that the SPY and the NASDAQ have an opportunity to break out over the next couple days. So, if you guys know anything about the SPY over the past few months, as everything's been looking very, very bearish, every time we have these drastic moves or we find some type of temporary high, it's typically on a Tuesday, right? So, Tuesday the 13th there. Over here, we had a high at Tuesday the 16th of August. Over here, we had a Tuesday of March, and so forth, another Tuesday right up here on January 4th. Now, unfortunately, we haven't found the strength to really boost up and break out just yet. However, as you guys can see, it looks like we may have a breakout if the 50 and the 20 day moving averages can actually make a stronger move up. It's going to be hard. These levels of resistance are here for a reason. We have them as far as the SPY is concerned and the NASDAQ's concerned. We're just not having a lot of momentum at this point. We're not seeing a lot of strength. However, the fact that we're still going sideways means there's hope for us to break out and try to at least tackle some of these next moving averages, or just going back up to another level of resistance, which would be fantastic, at least until we start seeing the Federal Reserve hike rates at the beginning of next month. Now, as far as Bitcoin's concerned, we did officially break out. We've had a few breakouts over the past few weeks, as you guys know. The big one being this one right here, and I guess a smaller one at the same time going back there, right? Really big moves that have been coming up. Those levels of resistance that we currently have after this breakout really just go to that 200 weekly moving average and that 50-week moving average, because of course we're going to have a death cross here any week now, and it's just going to be probably a painful experience, maybe bringing us back down from 24,000 and bringing us back down to maybe the $20,000 range, which won't be terrible considering we were all the way down here at 16,000 at one point. And of course, if you guys go over here to Ethereum, Ethereum is at a level of resistance just like a lot of other things, but while Ethereum has had that smaller breakout there, Bitcoin has broken out. Ethereum really hasn't had that big breakout yet, so we're kind of waiting to see, can Ethereum break out as well, because that might put it all the way back up around 2,000 bucks, which would be amazing. Of course, then we have to start dealing with resistance levels over here, so keep an eye on that, everybody. But today, I just want you guys to be paying attention. We have not broken out yet. If you guys were watching the video last night, or the stream last night, excuse me, you guys know that we were talking about more of a sideways action day, and if we go over here to the 15-minute chart, it's pretty much been a sideways action day, right? A little bit up, but really not much happening since yesterday. Started off kind of rough, but we're going sideways. That's better than going down at this point, right? Same with the SPY from yesterday to where we are now. It's doing okay, everybody. We're not in any crisis mode, but just be aware that we're going to be starting to hit these really dangerous levels of resistance. And historically, when we hit these levels, we just start to kind of crash back down here, okay? And this has been going back for months and months and months. And I know we don't hit these levels too often, but when we do, we really just come back down pretty fast. So again, guys, have a great rest of your day. And hopefully you guys are going to be paying attention to see if we break out today or tomorrow. Otherwise, we're coming down.